So got the rear windshield taped up, got the quarter glass taped up, and now I'm gonna just sand all these runs out, maybe paint this quarter today. Alright you guys, so this is very, very smooth, probably the smoothest it's ever been since I've had the car. And so I sanded it, then I had Scotch-Brite, and now it's time for paint. Alright, what up you guys? Unfortunately that kind of came off there, but we'll put it back. But it's painted, and it's raining, and now I'm just on this side sanding her down, Scotch-Brite in it. Gotta still mask that off over there. But yeah, it's kind of come down. Let's see if we can get it painted tonight. Not sure. Alright, so got the quarter sanded down. I'm gonna take a break. This rain's still coming down. What's going on YouTube? So I'm gonna go get a new tattoo real quick, but I will make sure I finish up my car. I still need to do the bumpers. Shout out if there's any weekend fans out there. It says Starboy. Welcome back you guys. It's Father's Day here. My dad's here. We just came back from IHOP. Got some good breakfast. We're gonna go ahead and paint my bumpers. Check it out.
Or could this be this way right here?
Yeah, did it come unplugged or what?
Yeah, it was laying over there.
That makes sense. I think that's all it is.
That's good. His aunt thinks he's crazy in the head.
Who, my aunt?
Yeah.
Why?
Just trying to figure out where you're using a spray can.
Well, does she see the car?
She watches your videos.
Well, she thinks you're the car then.
She likes it.
That's good. Just got harder. Maybe fill all this back properly anyway.
Window cleaner.
Yeah.
And then you can slide it around.
I already stuck it once.
Yeah.
It's a little...
Now you don't have a squeegee, so you wouldn't be able to get it all out of there.
Yeah.
That's why I wasn't too concerned about it.
And I already made contact, so wherever it was where it was.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I guess it is almost 4th of July.
Yep.
People are already buying fireworks.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, on a bucket list, I flex so effortless. Fucking twins and they going in like they ain't relatives.